Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this pretty bucket hat. It is using the double V stitch pattern and two colors, orange tangerine and dark blue. It's very easy to achieve. Just follow the video tutorial and the link and the written pattern linked in the description box, and you'll be able to achieve it in no time. Let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm using 5.5mm crochet hook and a medium worsted yarn. You'll find all the information in the written pattern linked in the description box. We'll start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. In the fourth chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 6 double V stitches. So 1, so it's 2 incomplete double crochet, join together, chain 1 and repeat again, total of 6 times. So 1 incomplete double crochet, 2 incomplete double crochet, you've got 3 loops, join together, chain 1 and repeat, 2 incomplete double crochet, join together, that is a double V stitch together, the 4 incomplete double crochet with a chain 1 space. That must be done 6 times. And join to the beginning double V stitch. This is the first round. Round 2 I'm gonna chain 2 and double V stitch twice in every space. Again double V stitch in the same space. Like this in every space. Space means the chain 1 space. And this is how round 2 looks like so far. Round 3 I'm gonna introduce the new color and hold the thread tight, chain 2 and then follow with 1 double V stitch in every space. Just a normal round with normal double V stitch. And then on to the next one. Till the end of the round. So round 4 I'm gonna introduce the orange color again, chain 2 and then 1 double V stitch twice in the first space and a single double V stitch in the next space. So this is 1 double V stitch, 2 double V stitch, and then in the next space just one double V stitch, and we alternate. One space is double V stitch twice, and the next space only one double V stitch, like so, till the end of the round. For round 5, no decrease or increase, just a normal double V stitch in every space. One double V stitch in every space till the end of the round. The next space. So round 6 is gonna be double V stitch twice in one space and single double V stitch in the next 2 spaces, and we repeat till the end of the round. If you have any confusion at any time, please look at the written pattern where you have all the rows and rounds with the right numbers of decrease. The next space, just a normal double V stitch, and the next on the next space, and the same on the next space. This is double V stitch twice in one space, and then followed of a single double V stitch in the next 2 spaces, and we repeat. Double V stitch twice in one space, again, and a single a single double V stitch in the next 2 spaces till the end of the round. And here I'm at the end of the round again, and the next rounds will be only a normal double V stitch, no more increase. So I'm gonna chain 2, and then I'm gonna make a double V stitch. So this is round 7. Till round 11 I will make a single double V stitch in every space only. So this is the round 11 of single double V stitch, and now I will show you how to make the increase again for the bucket hat. So for round 12 I'm gonna join the blue color, and first I'm gonna chain 2, and what I'm gonna make is in one space I'm gonna make a double V stitch twice, and in the next space only one double V stitch. So in this space I'm gonna make 1 and 2. This is the increase. Okay. So we work 2 incomplete double crochet, chain 1, 2 incomplete double crochet, and again 2 incomplete double crochet, chain 1, 2 incomplete double crochet, all in the same space. And then the next V-stitch or space will make only one double V-stitch, and we will alternate one increase and one normal until the end of the round. And again the increase. And here I'm at the end of the round, and the next 2 rounds will be a normal double V-stitch, and I will join and fasten off before I join the other color. So now after the round of the increase, I fasten off the thread, and I'm gonna start with 2 rows of only double V-stitch in every space. So no more increase, just 2 rows of normal double V-stitch. So I will insert the yarn, okay, chain 2, and then I will start with a double V-stitch in every space. For the next 2 rows, and this will give the shape of the bucket hat later. So here I'm at the last row, and I'm doing the last double V-stitch before I fasten off, and I'll join to the beginning chain 2 and pull the thread through and hide it. And this is how you achieve the double V-stitch bucket hat. So I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Don't forget to check the written pattern linked in the description box. Bye bye.